What's going on, barbers? Welcome to today's training. So obviously you're here because your chair isn't as full as it should be. Well, after today, I've got a simple method you can use right after this video for free to start booking new clients in the next 60 minutes. Yes, 60 minutes, that's right. And the best part is all you need is your mobile phone and an IG account. This method works no matter how long you've been cutting hair or how much competition you have in your local city. All you have to do is stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I promise you, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Just like 51 of my own barbers in my team and over 400 of my clients have used this year to blow up their barber schedules fast. Before we do that though, let's get one thing clear. I'm not here claiming to be some fucking internet guru selling a bullshit PDF that's gonna make you rich overnight. Please believe that. I've been exactly where you are right now and I've come from nothing, I've hustled hard and I've struggled like fuck to figure this game out. I understood in the struggle that when you learn to cut hair, nobody is going to teach you exactly how to grow your business or your clientele. And if you're like me, you were probably told, cut hair and do a good job and eventually people will keep coming back. Now, let me tell you, that is the biggest load of shit you could ever listen to. Listen, we're not in 2012 anymore. Posting on IG and hoping that clients just walk in isn't gonna cut it. The problem isn't your barber skills, it's you've got no fucking strategy. But here's the good news. I'm about to show you a method that gets results fast. I call this my location hack method and it's super fucking simple. Listen, there's no fancy tools. You just need your phone and your Instagram account based around your barber business. So I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Let's break it down. So number one, I want you to open up Instagram and type in your city or a local business to your business, like a gym or a cafe, into the search bar. Now go to the recent posts tab to find people who are recently active in your local area. Now I want you to go through these profiles and start DMing them something like this. Hey name, just scrolling through IG and I saw your local too, city you live in or the business you've obviously mentioned. Love connecting with new people in the area. I'm a barber at whatever your barbershop name is, and I thought you'd be a great fit as a potential client, so I'm just trying my luck here by reaching out. What do you think about coming down for a cut sometime? And then in brackets, PS, the first cut's on me. Now, if you send this, you can tailor it to your own language, that's absolutely fine, but you want to keep the same framework roughly to what I've just mentioned. It's that easy. You're just starting a conversation, remember that, with people in your area who are active on Instagram. They've literally just been online. Now, even if a small percentage respond, I do promise you, you'll be booking clients rapidly. I've got guys that have made thousands of pounds using this method. Now, you don't have to offer the first cut for free, but let me tell you this. I've never had a client come in for a free cut and not tip. In fact, most end up tipping more than the price of a regular cut anyway, and I definitely get them rebooking at full price because I've shown them what I'm all about. It's all about building that trust and relationship during the cut, so make sure that that's the key point here. If you're nervous to reach out to people randomly, get the fuck over it, get some balls. You need to get in the mindset of I'm actually trying to help this person get the best service at an affordable price and stop them from getting fucked over by the dodgy barber down the street. Let me make this clear. You have to believe in your services and skills in order to make this work. In fact, you will be doing a disservice to that person by not helping them if you know that you provide the best service in your city. Anyway, the best part is you can do this from literally anywhere. You can be at home, you can do it from the gym, you can do it in between your cuts, whatever and wherever you like. And listen, there's no complicated ads. There's no waiting around for clients to come into you. You are in full control of how this works. And if you still think that I'm talking shit, let me share some real results with you. Jared used this system and booked 35 new clients in 5 days. Rich made £1,400 in 7 days using this method. Sabs, a client from Australia, went down from a 2-man barbershop to a 6-man barbershop and scaled to 30K in literally 90 days. Kyle went from £200 a week to 10K a month in 30 days. Ash booked over 150 clients in 90 days. And Danny went from 200 to 1,500 followers in 90 days too. I could keep going on, but just check out the client wins below this video for more results just like these. But here's the thing, listen, my location hack method is just one of my strategies that I teach my clients. Imagine having systems in place that not only fill up your chair and build a loyal client base, but they also give you consistent income and freedom to scale your business however, wherever, and whenever you choose. Now, I know you might be thinking, what if no one responds? And you know what? Here's the fucking truth. Not everybody will, right? I understand that. But this is a numbers game. Sending 20 or 30 DMs a day, underestimating on this occasion, should at least get you 5 to 10 new clients a week. And you should be charging a minimum of 20 quid a cut. So that's an extra 100 to 200 pounds a week. If those clients come back once a month on average, let's say, that's an extra 1,200 to 2,000 pounds a year added to your income every single week if you do this consistently. So the numbers are incredible. And the best part is you don't even have to spend no money on ads. The only variable, whether this works or not, is how consistent you are at getting off your ass and putting in the work. It's that simple. Don't forget that we haven't even mentioned as well, by the way, about those clients that you're bringing into your business, then becoming referrals on the back end too. Haven't even included that in this. So that's another little key game for you. The main thing is consistency is key. The more you do it, the better your results are going to be. So if you're ready to take control of your business, book more calls and start making the income you actually deserve, I want to invite you to book a free strategy call with me or one of my team members down below. On this call, we'll literally look at where you currently are, where you want to get to, and then we can create a game plan on how to get you to your point B in the fastest time possible. There's no friction, no obligation to move forward with anything, by the way. All you have to do is click the link down below to book your call. Spots are limited, so don't be lazy and don't wait too long. The reason that you're watching this video is because you need more clients. The training isn't just about gaining a few extra clients. It's actually to help you take action and change your future. I'd love to help you out with that, but you have to take the action today. I've done the first part for you here. Let's make this your breakthrough year. Don't forget to drop me a follow on Instagram at jadams.uk. And obviously go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube. I'll see you guys real soon. I'll be dropping some of you a message on Instagram to check in with you after this video. Have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed the training. Let's go.